So hey guys, welcome back to UCB Creations. So in this video we are going to do again different type of editing like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So if you are new to our channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to UCB Creations and press the bell icon to get latest notifications. So I think in previous video I have said about affiliate marketing. In I button, if you didn't see, you can go and see. You can earn money from home. So that is our series. From there also you can earn money. I'll give playlist also. That is on the first video. So we'll start today's video. So first we have to open PicSart and open our background. I'll give all links in description. You can go from there and you can open it. Then we have to open this lens flare and we have to go to blend and screen and we have to place it at the center. And we can decrease the opacity till 73 and we have to click on done. Now we have to again go to add photo and we have to open our model. I have already created it. If you want, you can create it. I have removed its background and we have to on our net so that we can use effects. Now we have to go to effects and we have to go to magic and first option flora and we have to again click on three dots and we have to click on fade and we have to increase it to 65 and again we have to merge it. Now we can only restore it at only on face so that it looks so attractive. Again now we have to go and merge it. Now again we have to go to undid and again we have to do same process. Again we have to erase on the face and we have to merge it. Now again we have to go to feast and we have to click on fade and we have to go to 89 till 89 and we have to again merge it. Now we have to go to artistic and oil painting and we have to decrease the amount to 3 and again we have to merge it. Now we have to go to sketch and in the first one we have to click on first one and now we have to select line to 1 and we have to select black color until 0. Horizontal row should be 0 so that it comes on our face and now we have to erase the sketch which comes on our face. Now we have to select the image and we have to set it. After this now we have to click on done. After setting it, again now we have to add our PNGs. This is white color flag PNG and we have to keep it there and one more one is red color one and for this we have to go to flip rotate and we have to rotate it and increase the size. Now what we have to do is again we have to go to add photo and we have to add our PNG eyes one. I'll give all links in description. You can go and download there and we have to set it on our eyes and we can decrease the opacity. Now again we have to go to add photo and add one more eye PNG or we have to add mask PNG. So and again we have to go to blend and we have to click on multiply. Now we have to erase the extra part of our mask. Now again we have to click on done. Now again we have to go to draw and we have to select the color to red, somewhat too dark, and now we have to create a thunder picture here. So you can see there thunder and fill stroke and we have to draw there so that it looks attractive and okay. Now again we have to go to effects and now we have to go to colors and we have to click on colorize and we have to click on three dots and we have to go increase the hue and we have to erase the half side right side part. So we have to click correctly so that we get straight line like this. Okay, now we have to click on done. So you can see it became red and lastly I'll tell you how to adjust it. So now again we have to go to add photo and we have to add this rose PNG I'll give you this also in description. So like this we have to adjust it so that we get nice look. Okay, now we have to again go to add photo, and now we have to add this arrow mark. So this is I only created it. You can go to blend and you have to click on lighten. Again now we have to add one more PNG, devil's one, and we have to crop it now. Okay, we have to go third option and we have to crop till left one, and we have to place it correctly like this. And now again we have to add one more PNG of right side one, angel one. So this one blue color, and for this also we have to go to flip and we have to flip it. Now we have to erase the left side part till red one. You can see here like this we have to erase it. Now again we have to click on done, and we have to go to add photo, and we have to add this IPNG, and this also same we have to go to blend, and we have to go to flip rotate and rotate it, and we have to adjust in our eye. So I have adjusted and we have to click on done. Now again we have to go to draw and we have to save image. So this is our photo. Now we have to open Lightroom. After opening Lightroom we have to go to temperature and mix tool. Now we have to increase the red color so that we get nice look. So you can see here, and if we want we can go to dark blue color and we can increase there also. See how we did, how it became. So it is so good. And again we have to come to vibrance and we have to increase it so that all colors increase, and we can increase sharpening and all. So before and after.